asteroid bigger than the Eiffel Tower approaching Earth at 20 times the speed of sound. Today's article on Sputnik. This object was discovered in 2006, and it intersects Earth's orbit twice every year. It's described as potentially hazardous object due to its proximity to our planet during its flybys. Fast approaching mammoth asteroid. It's going to skim past Earth in less than 2 weeks. This is what NASA is warning us of. It's identified as 481394 2006 SF6. Estimated to be 610 meters, that's about 2,000 feet across. So that's pretty big. That's twice the size of the Eiffel Tower, or 6 football fields. SF6 is expected to come closest to Earth Wednesday, November 20th. It's going to whisk by within a 0.029 astronomical units above our heads. That's about 4.35 million kilometers. It will fly by at a startling speed of 27,000 kilometers per hour. That's about 22 times the speed of sound. The asteroid was discovered in 2006. It passes by twice a year and is designated as potentially hazardous, belonging to the group of asteroids whose orbit occasionally crosses the orbit of planet Earth. Its projected trajectory shows there is hardly any chance of collision with us, thank goodness, within the next 2 centuries, which is good, given that such a huge rock could destroy a city during one of its otherwise mundane visits. Any asteroid or comet that orbits within 50 million kilometers of Earth, like this one, 2006 SF6, is described as a near-Earth object, NEO. According to NASA's Planetary Defense Officer Lindsey Johnson, NEOs have the potential to be the most devastating natural disaster known to man. Of more than 600,000 asteroids barreling through our solar system, scientists have cataloged around 20,000 NEOs. The European Space Agency puts more than 800 of those NEOs on its risk list. That means that astronomers should keep an eye out on them. NASA reports last week that an asteroid the size of Burj Khalifa, which is the world's tallest building, will fly past our planet the day after Christmas. In September, the agency admitted that it had identified a car-sized asteroid just a few hours before it hit the atmosphere and burned up there. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.